of your upbringing. Take your goldfish, let them come. Take your pet dogs. By the way, I love dogs. Dogs are my favorite animals. Take your chihuahua, your pit bull. Take the lizard, the snake, every pet in your house. Let them sit and listen to me. I guarantee you, your pet will start to speak. I'm not kidding you. Your parrot, take your parrot. Let your parrot come. Everybody, your family members, invite your friends, invite your enemies. I guarantee you, your enemies, your life will be easier. Whatever, whoever, your boss, whoever, let them come and share this live, and everybody is welcome.